Hey, what's up, guys? See this pole behind me? Doesn't quite look right. That's because it's been set upside down. We take a look at the rest of our poles and it's fat at the bottom, skinny at the top, follows a natural taper as they should. And driving down the road, you come across this guy. Looks pretty funny. So believe it or not, there is an actual reason for this pole being upside down. I was driving with the guy that set it many years ago now, and he's actually been retired for many years. He told me the story, and I'm not saying it's right, but it's pouring raining. I'm going to come to the truck. But there was a very practical reason as to why they set that pole upside down. So what I want you guys to do, I'm not going to tell you what that reason is. Put down in the comments your thoughts. Being a troubleshooter, doing line work, sometimes you gotta think outside of the box. And as I mentioned, I will say again, not that it's right, but the guys that particular night ran into an issue. They were thinking outside of the box. They wanted to get power back on. So write down in the comment section what you guys think the reason is why we got an upside down pole in the middle of nowheres, and whoever gets it right, I'm gonna pin that comment. And if y'all don't get it within a few days, then I'll put the reason myself in the comment section and pin that. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see y'all very soon. Very soon.